In our video this time, I will discuss about residual assessment operator for. Well, just go straight. We practice. Here I have a variable that I named a. The value of the variable is 20. Then I made it again with the variable. For the rest of it, let's do it like this. The rest of the equals. For example, 4. Sorry, not 4 but 3. Okay. Well, here we are. Print variables. Print a. The results will appear here in the terminal. Don't forget we keep by pressing Ctrl+S on the keyboard. Now let's run it in the terminal. Well, the rest for him is 2. Yes, is 2. Why the result is 2? Because 20 divided by 3, the result is 6. 6 by 3. That came out 18. So, 20 to 18. That's the rest. Which is 2. Well, like that. Let's try one more time. For the next example, we change to for example. EH6. Here 6. The result is how much? Let's see. The result is also 2. Why 2? Because 20 divided by 6, that's 3. Then these 3 multiplied by 6, the result is 18. Up to 2018. That's the result of the reduction, that is 2018. That's the rest. Which is to well, that's how friends. Hopefully tutorial. This is useful. Thank you.